Hello guys, welcome back once again. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to identify a step up transformer and a step down transformer by performing this simple calculation. Okay, so stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, invite family and friends. Okay, let's go there. A transformer has 300 tons of wire in the primary coil. So the number of coil at the primary is 300 tons, right? And 30 tons in the secondary. So the number of coil at the secondary is 30 tons, okay, in the secondary coil. Now, if the input voltage, that is the voltage at the primary, is what? The input voltage is 100 volts. The output voltage is, that's Vs, the voltage at the secondary. That is the output voltage we have to calculate. Recall the relationship of the number of turns and the voltage. What do we have? Vs over Vp equal to what? Ns over Np. Okay, so let me impute my Vs is not known, so Vs over my Vp 100 equal to my Ns 30 over my Np 300. Okay, let me just do simple simplification here. This one will go, right? Next I have here 3 here, 1, 3. How many times? 10. Okay, so what I'm going to have is Vs equal to 100 over equal to what? 1 over 10. Okay, Vs over 100 equal to 1 over 10. Okay, now at this point I'm going to cross multiply that is this multiply this multiply this. What am I going to have here? Vs times 1 times 10, I mean, equal to 1 times 100 is Vs I'm looking for, so I'll divide both sides by 10. 10 will cancel this, 10 will cancel this. So what I have here is my Vs is equal to 10 volts. Okay, this is the secondary voltage. Now, what does this information, this 10 volts, tell us about this transformer? What this simply means is that the type of transformer I have here is a step down transformer. Look at it. The input voltage is 100 volts. The output voltage is 10 volts. This is what? A step down transformer. Okay, and this is how to perform simple calculation related to transformers. Stay with me for more interesting solution on transformer. Okay, bye.